Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore ReplyRush Powerful Flow Automation feature. If you use Instagram to promote digital products, services, or your business, this feature can save you a lot of time. Once your flow is set up, whenever someone comments on your post, ReplyRush will automatically send them a reply and a DM. Let's get started. Open Flow Automation from the sidebar. Here, you'll see all the flows you've already created. To create a new one, simply click Add New Flow Automation and enter a name for your flow. Now select your trigger. You have three options. Keywords. This triggers the automation when a user comments a specific word like info or price. All comments. When enabled, the automation runs on every comment. At mention, the automation runs whenever someone mentions your Instagram account. You can also configure exclude keywords, send once, delay message, share post, and send back according to your requirements. If your Instagram account is connected with your Facebook page, simply enable sync automation to Facebook page post while creating the flow. The same flow will automatically be applied to your Facebook post as well. Now let's move to the configuration section. Here, you can configure features like comment auto reply, no DMs, engagement starter, email collector, and follow gated DM within a single flow. With comment auto reply, you can add multiple custom replies. Email collector helps you collect leads directly inside the DM, while follow gated DM asks users to follow your account before continuing the conversation. The best part is that you no longer need to enable these features separately from the sidebar. Everything can now be managed inside a single flow. Now let's look at multiple DM. Here, you can create a sequence of up to 25 messages. Each message can use a different type, such as media template text message, quick replies, media attachment button, template post, share product template lead generation. You can also set a custom delay for every message. For example, the first DM is sent instantly. The second DM is sent after 6 hours. The third DM is sent after 11 hours. Just remember that the total delay of all messages must remain within 24 hours. If the total duration exceeds 24 hours, you'll get an error while saving the flow. Once your setup is complete, click Save. After creating a flow, you can edit, view, or clone it. Using the clone option, you can duplicate an existing flow. All messages and settings remain the same, so you only need to make the required changes and reuse it for another campaign. Now let's attach the flow to an Instagram post. You can do this in two ways. First, while publishing your Instagram post, paste the automation code into your caption. Once the post is published, the flow will automatically be linked. To verify it, simply click Fetch Latest Post, and the linked post will appear in the Posts and Reels section. The second method is to go to Posts and Reels. Click Attach Flow. Select the flow you want to connect, and click Attach Flow again. Once attached, the post will move to the Flow Linked category. This allows you to assign different flows to different posts, making it easy to run different automations for different campaigns. Now let's see it in action. A user comments info on your Instagram post. ReplyRush automatically sends a comment reply and instantly delivers the first DM. If you've configured multiple DMs, the remaining messages will be sent automatically according to the delays you've set. You don't need to send anything manually. Everything works automatically in the background. That's how ReplyRush Flow Automation helps you automate your Instagram marketing. Automatic replies, instant DMs, multiple follow-up messages, email collection, follow gated, DM better engagement. If you want to automate your Instagram marketing, Flow Automation is the perfect solution. Thanks for watching.